10 shocking facts about Elon Musk's scary smart Grok AI. Elon Musk's Grok AI is shaping up to be a game-changer in the AI world. With its real-time access, witty personality, and constant upgrades, it's definitely one to watch. Will it surpass ChatGPT? Watch the full video for better understanding of Grok created by xAI. Elon Musk's AI company, xAI, developed Grok as a competitor to ChatGPT, real-time X, Twitter, access. Unlike other AIs, Grok can pull live data from X, humorous and witty, designed to have a sarcastic, rebellious tone. Powered by advanced AI, uses Grok 1.5 with improved reasoning and coding skills. Grok 3 launch. Musk calls it the smartest AI on Earth, with a release demo on February 18, 2025. Exclusive access, initially for X Premium Plus subscribers. Future access details awaited. Faster development, built within months after xAI was founded in 2023. Competes with OpenAI and Google, positioned as an alternative to ChatGPT and Gemini. Part of Musk's AI vision focuses on truth-seeking AI rather than being politically correct. Future expansion expected. With Grok 3, XA, I may expand its availability and capabilities. Grok AI is evolving fast, and its scary smart capabilities might just change the AI game. What do you think about Elon Musk's latest creation? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates.